it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, we're here with Shenseea. Yeah, man, Shenseea herself. With Boss Up. Ladies, make sure you boss up. Get to the money up. Get to the thing up. You know what I mean? I make no man cut no out. You know what I mean? Yes. Shenseea, Boss Up. Jump in and see what's going on, man. Let's get it. When me hear that intro before? When me hear this before? Me hear this somewhere before. This is a sample. This is a sample. Who sing it? R&B, R&B song. Hold on, one more time, let me get it. Me get it now. Me get out of it. Hold on. Let me see me right. Yeah, it's just a bit faster.
While he was scheming, I was beaming in the beamer, just steaming.
Blue Central. Yeah, Blue Central. Hit him up style. All right, Shenseea. All right. Nothing wrong. Big up Blue Central. All right, ready?
Yeah. Shenseea. Take it from me, sometimes it's better if you just leave. Drop that nigga that you don't need. If that man can't give you no peace. No, don't.
She say, yo, take it from her. Drop the man we don't need. You might want him, but you don't need him. That way the girl I say. That way Shenseea is saying. If you don't need him, don't make him turn down and stress you out. Don't make him stress you out, mama.
You don't need if that man can't give you no peace. No, don't let him stress you out. No, don't let him bring you down. No.
Same melody too. Same melody as well as the Blue Central hit him up style. Big up Blue Central. Again.
No, don't let him stress you out. No, don't let him bring you down. No, don't let him come back around. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Yeah.
Bobo Clan. Now make him do none of them something that to your mama. Now make him stress you out. Now make him bring you down. Now make him now make him tell us say you're not worth nothing. You are worth it. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. All right.
Yeah.
Shenseea for the girl them. Ladies, ready?
Take it from me, sometimes it's better if you just leave. Drop that nigga that you don't need. If that man can't give you no peace. No, don't let him stress you out. No, don't let him bring you down. No, don't let him come back around. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss.
Bobo Clan, stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, alligator. See you later.
No, don't let him come back around. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Yeah. Go get your nails done, hair bust down. Go get that body in the gym right now. And make him mad that it didn't work. Your paper, get your...
Me like how she said that part there. Me like how she said go get your body in the gym. She never said go take no surgery. She never said go under the knife because that is a risk to your life. She never said that. She said go in the gym, work your, do your squats, get the bumper up, get the shape ready. All right.
Tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Yeah. Go get your nails done, hair bust down. Go get that body in the gym right now. And make him mad that it didn't work. Your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss.
Look, make him mad, say it never work out. Ladies, when you left a boy, you're supposed to look better than all you was when you was with the boy. So when boy see you, boy are mad, boy are scratching me and said, look at that. But guess what? Cow never know the tooth tail. Cow never know the use and tail till he gone. Cow never know use and tail till he gone. Mama, make a boy say yo why?
Right now, and make him mad that it didn't work. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Go get a bag, spend it on yourself.
Yeah.
Get what you want, cause you're fine as hell.
Independent ladies can alone can do that. When I have to depend on a man, go get your bag and spend it on yourself. Spend your bag for yourself, mama. You don't have to depend on a boy.
Go get a bag, spend it on yourself.
Yeah.
Get what you want, cause you're fine as hell. Let him play with someone. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. You know so you can live without him. If the pressure turn into a diamond. I got so many on my body, keep them coming. No time for you, time to put me first.
She put herself first. She put number one first, which is she. No, have the picking together. So guess what? You is number one. You have to put yourself first, mama. Your feelings, your emotions, everything. You're hot, mama. You're hot. You're hot. Not take no stress out from the boy.
Yeah, my body keep them coming. No time for you, time to put me first. And I don't need a damn dime. No, kiss this ass goodbye. No, can't wait for him to act right. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss.
Now wait for the boy. She now wait for the boy. Kiss this Ross goodbye. She said if kiss her Ross goodbye. She said but kiss her Ross goodbye. Kiss it goodbye.
No, can't wait for him to act right. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Go get your nails done here, boss down. Go get the body in the gym right now.
With the cleaner fuck.
Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Go get a bag, spend it on yourself. Get what you want, cause you're fine as hell. Let him play with someone. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Every move I move on, I level up. Me no ugly, it no hard for my fine love.
She not ugly. We know that Shenseea. But Shenseea, then again, I know every girl have the confidence where you have, you know. I know every girl have the confidence where you have. But then again, Shenseea did say go into the gym and go get your body up and go get things right. And, you know, look up, get a bit more comfortable in yourself, you know. Keep some friends around you who can motivate you too. Nobody keep the girl them around you. We want to keep you around because them pretty and you ugly. No, keep them type of girl around you. Some girl will keep you around them. And know say the girl ugly and don't want to help the girl motivate herself. You know a hypocrite too. You know a hypocrite.
Come in a Farid.
Why you doing that,
Some of the girl forget burn out. Because you know want all the attention them one time you go a party. Or you go up on the road and the ugly friend will stand up like a fridge in the background.
Why you doing John Crow?
So every move I move on, I level up. Me no ugly, it no hard for my fine love. When you leave him, we say I can't fill the void. And you'll never find another like him, but that's the point. But when my gone phone,
that's the way I tell you. That's the way I tell you because him insecure, him afraid to lose you. Man always tell woman say, yo, you'll never find a next man like. She say, yes, all right, that's the point. Me don't want to find somebody else like you. That is what Shenseea is saying, obviously not me.
we say I can't fill the void.
Right.
And you'll never find another like him, but that's the point.
Yeah.
But when my gone phone, I ring like alarm. Me a queen, not tap on, no care if I met your mom.
She said when she gone, phone a ring. Her phone a ring down.
But when my gone phone, I ring like alarm. Me a queen, not tap on, no care if I met your mom. In the stop, me keep it moving like it's a routine. Cause the boy now lower my self-esteem. Boss up, go get
Me just telling about the self-esteem, you know.
your nails done here, boss down. Go get the body in the gym right now. And make him mad that it didn't work. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Go get a bag, spend it on yourself. Get what you want, cause you're fine as hell.
Oh,
Let him play with someone. Stack your paper, get your weight up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up.
Pass up. Buckler. Big up all the ladies when know see you them a boss up. Big up all the ladies when know see you them independent. Cause the first sign of a woman a boss up, you know, when she independent. She have to depend on a boy. When you make your own bag, when you make your own bag and you pay your own bills, them, no boy can chat to you certain way. You understand? Him have to lower him voice, lower your volume, turn it down, turn your blood clot down. Kind of do nothing for me. That ladies, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. And the one them are too confident, get the confidence up. You see me? Get your bag up. Get motivated. Go out there, go do something. That is what Shenseea tell the writer so. You see me? Shenseea tell the girl them say, yo, stand up for yourself. Yes. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, mama. Pick up on yourself. Let me know what you think what I want in the comment section. Stills. Shenseea fans, let me know something there. No, big up on yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Boss up.
Yeah, first game, but I review your feisty dog. Feisty, you fuck.